Hey everyone, today we're talking about something you don't learn in school, something no one prepares you for. How to get back up when life hits you like a truck. Because it's not a matter of if life gets hard. It's when. Maybe you lost your job. Maybe your relationship blew up. Maybe everything feels like it's going wrong all at once. The difference between people who fall apart and people who rise, resilience. And today, I'm going to give you the 10 habits of the most resilient people I know. The habits that help you not just survive, but come back stronger. Let's get into it. Habit number 1, they accept reality fast. Resilient people don't waste time pretending it's not happening. When Maya got laid off last year, she gave herself one night to cry, watch rom-coms, and eat cereal straight from the box. The next day, she updated her resume and started reaching out. She didn't love it, but she didn't deny it. Acceptance is power. Habit number 2, they ask better questions. The average person asks, why me? Resilient people ask, what now? After a bad breakup, my buddy Raj didn't sit around asking, why did she leave? He asked, what was I ignoring about myself? That question led him to therapy, a new hobby, and plot twist, the woman he eventually married. Better questions equals better bounce back. Habit number 3, they stay connected. Resilient people don't isolate. They reach out. Look, you're not weak for needing help. You're human. Every time Sarah felt like quitting her startup, she called her mentor. Not for answers, just for perspective. That one conversation often saved her from making a permanent decision based on a temporary feeling. Habit number 4, they move their bodies. You ever seen someone walk their way out of a nervous breakdown? Because I have. Physical movement changes your emotional state. You don't need a gym membership, just movement. When Tom's dad passed away, he walked 4 miles every morning. Not to fix his grief, but to feel it without being crushed by it. Habit number 5, they limit doom scrolling. Resilient people guard their attention like gold. Kendra noticed her anxiety was off the charts, and she realized she was reading bad news on Twitter for 2 hours a day. She deleted the app, and her mental health skyrocketed. Resilient people know, garbage in, garbage out. Habit number 6, they have a reset ritual. When life feels like chaos, resilient people create anchors. My reset ritual? 1 quiet coffee every morning, no phone, no emails, just me and my thoughts. It's 5 minutes of sanity before the world starts shouting. Find yours. It could be journaling, stretching, prayer, or listening to jazz in your car. Create order inside when there's disorder outside. Habit number 7, they focus on what they can control. When the pandemic hit, Josh, a wedding photographer, lost every booking. Instead of panicking, he taught himself video editing and started offering services online. 6 months later, he was booked out and making more than before. Resilient people don't spin in circles. They pivot with purpose. Habit number 8, they celebrate small wins. Not every win has to be a trophy moment. Sometimes brushing your teeth when you're depressed is a victory. Sometimes sending 1 email is a triumph. Laura battled burnout last year. Her therapist told her to write down 3 tiny wins every day. That list became her reminder. I'm not stuck. I'm moving. Habit number 9, they keep a long-term lens. Resilient people zoom out. In the middle of failure, they remind themselves, this is just a chapter, not the whole story. One of the most resilient people I know, my cousin Ben. He failed the bar exam 3 times. But every time he said, I didn't lose. I just learned where I tripped. On the 4th try, he passed. And now he's the go-to lawyer in his city for people who've made mistakes and want a second chance. Habit number 10, they believe comebacks are possible. Resilient people carry this quiet, unshakable belief. This isn't the end for me. And sometimes that belief is the only thing that keeps you going. But it's enough. So let's recap. Accept reality. Ask better questions. Stay connected. Move your body. Protect your mind. Have a reset ritual. Focus on what you can control. Celebrate small wins. Zoom out. Believe in your comeback. And you don't need to master all 10 overnight. Just pick one small shift, and build from there. Because resilience isn't about being unbreakable, it's about being rebuildable. You got this. If this hit home, give it a like, share it with someone going through a tough season. And drop a comment. Which habit are you going to start with? I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bend, don't break. If you want to see more of my videos, subscribe to my channel so you are the first to know when a new video drops. Give this video a like also. Thank you.